Them say loyalty is a strong feeling of support and allegiance. And doing something for somebody where you're not going to necessarily benefit from. When did Minister Daly get to you?
Why you ask me that, bossy?
May I play back some things in my head from the other day. When we did at the agency gym, I noticed your anti behavior. Talking very strong about the minister, saying he might threaten people and he might threaten people's family. And I notice your strong concern for Destiny's safety. And I can't blame you. But the concern sound like you are Destiny in a trouble. I also realize the thumb drive I show you was copied. And the only person that was around me was you. Now if me lose your loyalty, I better you take my weapon and put it on my head.
You know what I feel that way about? The fact that you question loyalty. I'm loyal to you before the agency. When we get rid of the youth, we take out my sister. And you give me a second chance. You make me have a deeper appreciation for the law and how it works. Everything I do now is upheld with the law.
But Whisper,
I'm finished, bossy. The only other thing I'm more loyal to than you and the agency, I'm a daughter. Yeah. He reach out to me. I'm tell him no. When the man threatened my daughter and send man down my daughter's school and threaten me say if me tell you or anybody in the agency, my daughter not gonna ever be safe. That's it. Not telling a lie. It break me. I'm a human. And she are everything to me.
and you give up agency information.
The information I give is not detrimental. I just give it for stalling. And I don't want him to expose with identity.
Whisper, you realize what they're on the thumb drive?
Yeah, but all of the information on it encoded. It not have nobody in our circle can unlock that. And it not have enough time to deal with that. Remember 1 week him have left for reinstate you because him not have no evidence.
I understand why you say Whisper. But an agency secret that 1 week I still will heap of time. I'm understand about Destiny.
I know you're premiers, a traitor, a snitch, a disloyal person. I see it on Mr. Mullins too. I see him look for me. I make it easier for you. Can't mind this no more, boss. Quit. You have to go take it from yourself. And I have nothing more for give.